2025. It is 4:19 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm here recording live out of Ohio. Indeed. Banking is on thin ice, and why your money may not be safe, folks, okay? Because when banks crack open, the hidden banking crisis that you are not hearing about will get heard about. I'll tell you that here. Welcome to War Notes. My name is Pavio G, and I am your host. And today we are dropping a truth bomb. The banking system is shifting beneath our feet. While headlines talk about interest rates and normal business, the real story is what you are not hearing. Banks are shrinking reserves, making harder credit checks, closing branches, and if you are not watching, your money might become less accessible. We'll dig into what's happening, who it's hurting, including military families, and why this could matter much more than just dollars and cents. Stay locked in. We'll return in less than 30 seconds to continue our broadcast. Thank you all for listening. If you are not yet subscribed, please take the time to push the subscribe button and press the like button at the end of the video if you enjoy this content. Okay, folks, so what's happening now? What is happening now? Well, here's an example. Zions Bank Corporation and others disclose huge loan losses, setting banking stocks tumbling. Okay. Bank reserves in the U.S. have plunged to around $2.8 trillion, lowest in 4 years, which signals liquidity stress, according to the Economic Times. Branch closures as of right now, hundreds of bank branches shut or plan for shutting in 2025. Bank failures are still happening, small banks especially. And I do have my son in the background, you all. Please forgive me. I have baby Victor in the background. But here's what you are not hearing. Harder credit checks affecting even folks who serve the country. Banks tightening underwriting quietly. Digital first banks, branch closures equal less local service, more reliance on digital systems, which can fail. Now, here's the deal. Access is at risk. Your money may exit in an account, but getting to it when you need it could be harder, right? Because there's service interruptions, bank policy changes, deposit insurance limits, all of those things. Welcome, Ken, to the room. Welcome, Football Rollface. Welcome to the room. I thank you all for being here. So what does this mean for you, and what should you do now? Well, keep some cash on hand. It's just my advice. You all don't have to do what you're hearing, but it's just my advice to everyone out there. Just, a piece of me here. Keep some cash on hand in a safe place, because digital and certain things with all these digital things, that can become constrained. It is very important. Make sure your deposits are within the FDIC insurance limits. And that you can't even really trust, because we don't know what's going on with the government. Every day it's a different change. So please take out some cash, folks. Have multiple banking relationships, not all your eggs in one bank. So if you got a prepaid card, have a prepaid card, have a bank account, have some cash at home. Be aware of your bank's health. Regional banks may face more pressure than large ones. Remember that. And review your credit situation. If your banks are tightening, your ability to borrow or restructure could shrink. Also, another thing that's very important, folks, is to stay informed, especially if you're military or relying on regular paychecks. Verify your banking access and alternative backup. Have a plan. And let me tell you why this is urgent. Let me tell you why this is very urgent. The system margin of safety is thinning. Liquidity falling, bad loans rising. Okay. When that happens, things that seem safe may change fast. A digital-only money system is being pushed. That means a cashless future, which means reliance on banks and networks that could be vulnerable. That is it. That's all I have for you all, folks. My name is Pavio G. I thank you all for tuning into War Notes for this quick briefing on the hidden bank fault lines. Don't wait for the alarm bells. Make your move today. Know your bank's health. Keep some real cash in hand if you can, if it's possible. Some people don't even have cash to keep on hand. So do the best that you can. Stay diverse, okay? And if the system tilts, you want to be ready. I am Pavio G, your host. I thank you all for tuning in. Until the next time, we'll break down how you could protect your assets beyond just banking. stay protected, all of those things. Okay. And I thank you all so very, very much for tuning in. I thank you all for listening. Make sure that you all share this broadcast if by any chance, you feel this can help you in any type of way, please. And I appreciate you all so very, very much. I thank you all so very, very much for being here. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Don't pay attention to trolls. Those things we get taken care of very, very quickly, and we get them out of here. I thank you all for being here so much. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And that person, MINI1S, has been reported. I don't know what they were putting there, but that person has been reported for harassment, hate speech, and all of those things. And I have put that on record. I thank you all for being here. I don't tolerate mess in my room. I don't tolerate it at all. I thank you all for being here. And if you feel that this has helped you in any type of way, please answer my poll before leaving. Thank you all, folks.